And all fun and jokes aside, nigga, I need them nines double entendres, nigga. Them nines metaphors, nigga. I need you to flex and shit on everybody on this verse, nigga. I need that feeling when you was handing out them grills, nigga. I need that feeling when you was handing out them sneakers, nigga. When you had everybody locked in and talking, nigga. That's the feeling I need. ASAP.
I just put a ton on the back of a truck. Me and Midgie shoulda won the cannabis cup. I ain't put no plaques on my wall yet. Buy at least 5, I send them packs to your doorstep. In this music scene, I'm legendary. Rap's always been secondary, like February. Told my guys don't come near me with no tester. Don't be talking packs round Siri and Alexa. Free the gang, I can't forget my celly. I was getting letters in the can like alphabet spaghetti. All these niggas bite my style. I did A-Wings, got talent in jars like Simon Cowell. I was in Cali round the neck like a bow tie. Kush God bitch, I'm the most high. I see these rappers acting holy. When they was out at crowd surfing, we was catching bodies. I ain't a tough guy, I always make everybody laugh. I can spit on my bars wearing a polygraph. Rap stars still making pounds, fly ops trying to turn me to a stray like Ivory. From how high I used to shot ounces. Had a sold out tour, but I still got more fans in my crop houses. I spray up where you're coaching. Spent all my money on packs, I was literally weighing up my options. They say they gun spit, they ain't never done shit. Just landed the runs, about to roll a trumpet. She wants a man with P, but that bitch poor. That's why I'm in a crib hiding keys like the jigsaw. Still got food on the curb. I pull up with his half moon. I don't mean do not disturb. Came alone, could've brought an army. If I air it out, forensics will have to pick up more men than Lori Harvey. Came a long way from trapping in the rain. My chick's a side bitch, car I'm married to the game. Me and Buds in Dubai on a jet ski. Sold so much coke like I'm rivals with Pepsi. I used to break these packs down into fractions. These niggas do way too much capping in their captions. I'm trying to lead the game, but I need a lane. These niggas pre the chain, they don't see the pain. They send me jail for importing weed from Spain. I came home in 6 weeks, released the strain. Still remember reloading on a queue. We got them jungle boys, Mowgli and Baloo. The CM wishing they could bring me back. Could they still need gangsters like me to point the fingers at? Last year I was missing rap. I was on the wing kicking back with my niggas scraps. Even though my block's full of pricks, I ain't. And I don't trust bitches even if my chick's a saint. Paid for my last campaign, label ain't reimbursed me. Smashed her, never picked up cause she was thirsty. They just started out shipping packs time ago. Trading flavors with all the growers outside my show. This ain't happen cause of luck. Fuck your little chain, I spend that shit at hackers and on duck. To make it to a kilo, that was the game plan. When I had no neck like I was playing Rain Man. Used to have a 38 when I was trapping in the snow. Still got it to this day, I even bring it to my show. I can move 100 keys in less than a week. Driving through the other side like this is Sesame Street. Still the same old me even though I'm rich. And it's still gang, I never switch.
Nines, what's good, nigga?